In this video, I am going to show you how to add a payment button in Wix. So let's see how we can do it. To add a payment button in Wix, open your Wix website editor. From the left menu, click on Add Elements. Select button from here and then select Pay Buttons. So we are going to add this first button to our page. Now at first we are going to do the settings for our Pay Now button. So click on Settings. At first we need to add our product title. Then we need to set the pricing for our product. If you want to change the currency, then you can do it from here. And if you want to change this Pay Now text, you can do it from here. You can change it to Book Now or Buy Now. After that, if you want to show terms and conditions, then turn it on. Paste the link of your terms and condition page. Whenever someone will make the payment, you will receive the notification on your email that you have added to your Wix website. Now to set up your payment methods for this button, just click on Manage Payment Methods. You can select your business location from the top and then you can add payment methods to your button based on your location. After that, you can change the layout and design of your button as well. Once everything is done, just click on Publish from the top, and in this way payment button will be added to your Wix website and your website users can easily make payments using this button. So this is how you can add payment button to your Wix website. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.